Hi everyone, Matheus de here, and I'm going to show you a little bit about Simnet and Decred today. So this video is going to be based off on a script Dave wrote some time ago, and I'm going to improve it a little bit by adding it into a Tmux session for easiness of setting up and tearing down Simnet. Okay, so Simnet is a network, is a parallel network from testnet and mainnet, which you run on your own computer. And once you start it, it's not going to connect to any nodes on the internet. So you can very easily generate, and the mining difficulty is very low. So you can easily generate blocks and test stuff like reorgs or invalidation rules. Okay. It's a really useful platform for testing stuff on Decred, and it's especially useful for people wanting to try to do consensus-based changes, okay, or changes to the consensus rules of the network. Okay, so Simnet is basically something that you can start DCRD in, and you could start messing around with it, but it's a little bit of it takes a little bit of work to do it. This here control. So for example, if I wanna generate a block, I can do the, oh, sorry, this here control. So I can do this, but I haven't set up a wallet yet, so I need to create a wallet. I need to generate an address and so on. So it's a little bit of a work takes a little bit of work to set it up. So instead of doing this, I'm going to use this script, which I'm going to explain in a few minutes, but that basically just sets up a whole Simnet uh, infrastructure. So it sets up a node, it creates and imports a wallet seed, and gets you pretty much ready to go. So for example, if I want to mine, it sets up a few auxiliary scripts. Okay, so you can see there that I've just mined block 33, 34, and so on. Okay, and I've got a wallet here that I can just, okay, so you can see there's a balance here, spendable, and so on. This wallet has some tickets. Okay, you can see there, and I can buy tickets, and I can do transfers and so on. Okay, so this is a full setup for Simnet using a single node and a single wallet. So I can just start mining a bunch of blocks, and you're going to see in a few moments it's now just purchasing tickets. Okay, but in a few moments you're going to see it start voting. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 97, 98. It's going to start voting around at exactly height 143. Okay. It takes a little bit. So this mining script has a small delay to allow the vote, and there you go, to allow the wallet to vote on blocks and not try to generate so many blocks at once. Okay, so you can see that the wallet is voting and the Simnet node just keeps on going. Okay, so let me show you, and I can now just show you that this wallet still has a lot of balance. It's got quite some tickets live and tickets voted because we've reached stake validation high. And so I have a full setup of Simnet here. Okay, and now just to show you what this script does. Okay, so this script is very simple. It's got a few variables here. So notable is the wallet seed and the wallet mining address. Okay, so this mining address is from this seed right here. So that whenever I start mining blocks, the Coinbase rewards are going to this address. Okay, this script is going to generate a few configuration files. Also, and this script it cleans up before starting a new run of the Simnet nodes. It cleans up any previous install, so that every time you run this script, it's going to start a new Simnet. Okay, it's going to start Simnet from scratch. It's got a few. It's outputting a few files here. So this is the wallet. You can see how I'm enabling vote and ticket buying. Okay, so this is the main part where a new tmux session is established. And in the first window at window index 0, right here, it's going to start the CRD with the mining address so that it can start mining. These are a few auxiliary scripts. Okay, so this is the mine script that it generates. You can see right here there's a small sleep here so that the wallet can vote on a new block. This isn't strictly necessary right at the start, but it's a good thing to have. And on the second window, it's going to create the wallet. And this is the cool thing that you can do on Tmux is that you can automatically send the passphrase. So the 123 is the passphrase that it's going to use to create the wallet. And then it's going to automatically import the wallet right here so that you're using the correct wallet for the Coinbase rewards. Okay. And then it also generates a few helpful scripts in the wallet folder. And then at the end, it's going to attach itself into the session you've just created. So this script is a full setup of Simnet. And as I've mentioned, if you run it again, it's going to set up Simnet from scratch again. And you can see that it's starting out again at high 32 right here. Okay, you can see that it's high 32. I'll just set up my wallet. I can buy here. So these are the auxiliary scripts. You can see here that it's basically just some synthetic sugar around DCR control so that I don't have to keep typing DCR control minus C minus wallet and so on. Okay, and so this is basically what you need to test Simnet, to test Decred Simnet. Okay, so on the next video I'm going to use this setup to show you how block invalidation happens, or more specifically how the wallets could be modified in case of a minor attack to start invalidating blocks and to start removing the Coinbase rewards to miners, which is one of the key improvements or one of the key features that Decred brings. Okay, so see you next time.